Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select your character on the My Little Pony Story Creator application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 seconds.
Welcome to My Little Pony.
This is the first screen. Click to the Create a Story button. And in the lower side of the screen you can find the first button, the pony, and you can select your character, for example Rainbow Dash, Applejack and others, and just select one and click that, for example that cutie pink pony. And you can select different size characters, and actually I don't have, so that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.